This is the Woodford 50009. It's the T key. It fits many different Woodford models. So we can get it out of the package here. So it's got like that T handle shape, and then here it'll have that square portion. We can take a couple measurements of the handle itself. We'll get a total height. So at the tallest point, it's probably right here at the T to the bottom. So we can see it measures right at about 1.25 inches, or 1 3/4 inches. If I can get it to stop moving. Right at about 1 3/4 inches at the top of that T there. And then we can get an outer and an inner diameter of the square here. The outer diameter here at the bottom of the key measures right at 1/2 inch, with the inside diameter right below 1/2 inch. It's not that big of a difference. Yeah, once again, this is the Woodford 50009 T key.